Ford Mustang GT. So if you have an oversized box like this one, which is factory issued, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this and replace it with this, which is a bit smaller. Let's get into it. So there are two scenarios here. If you're about to pick up your new car, what happens is the car will come with this mounting box in the boot and the dealership will install it for you. Not ideal because they will put two holes here and sometimes they'll be on the plate. So what you want to do instead is grab one of our Plinth Delete kits and supply it to the dealership. If you already have the car with the box on it, that's okay. You can simply replace this box with our Plinth Delete kit. It will clean everything right up. Just got to pair it with a bracket. I'm going to show you how to get that done. First thing you're going to do is take everything off. Phillips head screwdriver, 2 screws there and 2 screws there, and it all drops out. So our plinth comes in 2 different sizes to suit 2 different scenarios. So if you pick up a new car and no holes have been made on the car just yet, this is the one you want. This is the smaller one. Being a smaller size, no matter what size plate you put on, this will always be covered. The other scenario is, if you have picked up a car and the box is already on, the hole's already made, this version has factory holes inbuilt into the design and it'll bolt straight up, and then your slimline plates will cover it. The only limitation is if you have a small plate like this one here, this will show, which means that you will better off getting a small one to suit your small plate. So this car already has existing holes. We're going with a small plate, so we're going to go with this one. We install this and then put the bracket on to complete the installation. Okay, so to line it up is quite easy. That rests on the edge of the bar just there, so it just sort of sits there. There's also a little mark on the plinth that marks the center, so you line that up with the apex of the bar. Now how I like to put in the screw is, I like to mark it with a dot first, take it off, pilot the hole, and then put the screws in. If you are using the small one and have a hole there, the kit will also come with a dress bolt, so you can plug that up with a nice glossy bolt. Now that we have the plinth on, it's time to choose our number plate bracket. Being a 2-part mounting solution, you need a bracket to match your number plate style. So if you're a full-size slimline, you grab a slimline bracket. For this install, we've got a 3-character plate, so we've got a 3-character bracket to go onto the plinth. From there, plate goes on, and if you want, covers, and that will complete the installation. Let's get into it. And there you have it. We've got rid of the oversized box and cleaned up with our Plinth Delete kit, paired up with our normal bed bracket. Now remember, the Plinth comes in 2 sizes. One of them goes into the factory holes if they're drilled, and I've got a small one if they're not. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.